Living an eco-friendly lifestyle is more essential in present times than ever before for environmental conservation, and it is not difficult to follow. Today, we are going to show you 3 easy steps to start living a sustainable eco-friendly lifestyle. Step number 1. Shop locally. Whenever you want to buy something, try to look for it in local shops around you. So how is this eco-friendly? Whenever we shop locally, the carbon emissions resulting from transportation, packaging and maintenance is remarkably reduced. How? For example, when we buy a single bottle of shampoo online, it comes packed in a cardboard box which is lined with plastic bubble wrap and plastic tape is used to seal the box. This packaging is usually thrown away in the garbage, which then ends up in a landfill if not carefully recycled. But if we buy that same bottle of shampoo locally, then we will only be buying that bottle of shampoo and the need for all the other packaging materials will be eliminated, which means zero wastage. So this can bring about a huge change in the environment, and a lot of packaging wastage can be reduced by shopping locally. The second change which we can bring about in our lives is actually a hack. Whenever we tear a plastic packet containing chips, chocolate or milk, we usually cut it like this, which results in 2 separate pieces of plastic, a big piece and a smaller one. Do you know that the smaller pieces can create a huge problem for the environment? That is because the bigger pieces of plastic are picked up by rat pickers and recyclers, but the smaller pieces get left behind and continue to pollute the earth for years. The smaller pieces of plastic over time become microplastic and pollute the oceans, soil and the overall environment. Also, when street animals like cows, dogs and cats eat these smaller pieces of plastic, they can get easily mixed up in food and pose a serious threat to the health of those animals. So next time, whenever you open a packet of chips, chocolate or milk, make sure to cut it like this, so that the smaller piece is still attached to the bigger piece of plastic wrapper, and try to deliver these plastic wrappers to recyclers. Isn't this such a simple and super effective way of protecting our environment better? The third step is say no to tissues. Can you imagine that the little piece of tissue paper that we use for a few seconds and throw away in the garbage is the contributor of 10% of global deforestation? According to recent studies, 27,000 trees have to be cut down every day just for making tissues. While on one hand we talk about saving the trees and saving the environment, on the other hand we consume products made from plants and cause irreparable damage to the environment. This excessive consumption of paper towels and tissues has only started in India in the recent past, because in our culture, we have always used handkerchiefs, which are reusable and sustainable. This can prevent thousands of trees from getting cut for making tissues. So it's time that we stop using tissues and develop the habit of using reusable cloth handkerchiefs just like old times. With these 3 basic steps, we can at least start a journey towards living a more sustainable, eco-friendly lifestyle.